Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to create seller account on Temu. Firstly, open your web browser and then go to temu.com like this. From here, if you click on orders and accounts, you can see you are logged into your account. Here is the option orders and account. So let's click on that. I'm going to sign in here. As I have logged in into my account, let's open a new tab and search Ping202 login, and we will click on the first link that pops up. So let's do that. Let's click on that. From here, click on the sign up option and fill your information here. Email address, password, and re-enter your password. Then sign up. Now I'll show you some steps on how to sell on Temu. As you can see, we are on this website. I'll scroll down to show you some details. First step, sign up on Temu. As we have done that, step number 2, complete the merchant sign up process. Now that you have verified your account, it's time to complete signing up to Temu by selecting your store type and what's your business you run. Step number 3, submit the application and wait for approval. Once you have uploaded the necessary documents, go ahead and fill up store details such as name, logo, and other relevant information, and then submit the page. If your store has been approved, go ahead and sign in into your account and then process to add products to your seller center. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.